Will tree seeds plug an underground buried downspout line? Well, there's a bunch of what we call helicopters, tree seeds. This leaf filter caught them, but it is packed tight. Now you want to check this periodically, especially if you have a tree dropping helicopters. Now, believe it or not, this system actually still worked. Water still ran through all these seeds, but they're getting pretty compacted. You can see that they're starting to germinate. This most definitely would plug an underground buried downspout line. If you didn't have something to catch all the tree buds, all the tree seeds, all the leaves, even the twigs and branches that break off. Now this happens to be a system that's a 4-inch downpipe. So this is our 4-inch round leaf filter. I love these 4-inch round downspouts. It must be at the end because that leaf and twig is green. So, you know, we had a lot of thunderstorms. We got 4.5 inches of rain. So you can see twigs, leaves. So let me just step back to put this in perspective. Like, I wear a size 12 in shoe. Look at this. All this most definitely would plug an underground buried downspout line. This happens to be the tree seeds mostly, and some twigs and leaves from the last storm that we had. But you want to check these in the fall, like every time it rains. And then in the spring, you're going to have the tree buds when they start to leaf out, and then later you're going to have tree seeds. You want to check it after each rain. This obviously was neglected. I will own that. I get away with it with my 4-inch round downspouts. Having said that, there's a limit to any of this, and I'm kind of walking that line. But I just wanted to show you all the tree seeds that this one downspout would have seen. Now, are you going to put all that through your underground system and just hope that that underground system is not going to clog? I'm not. I'm not going to chance that. that would definitely plug an underground buried downspout line right there. All right, so seeing that makes me want to get inside this catch basin just to see what got by the leaf filter. Now this catch basin hasn't been opened for a year because I got confidence in my leaf filter. All right, let me see if I can get this to focus for you. It is pretty empty. Look at that. Not bad, not bad. There we go. So there's some shingle gravel in the bottom. It ain't much. So that's shingle gravel, you know, from about 6 months worth of shingle gravel, I would say. That's it. It's a new roof though. The older the roof, the more shingle gravel you're going to lose. So this, I just opened this for peace of mind. I'm convinced that I don't have to clean this out, but once a year, just for peace of mind. But you can see it could go multiple years. And that's after catching all the leaves, all the twigs, all the tree buds, and all the tree seeds. Vented Cleanout leaf filter. It catches all the big organics. Once you filter everything out here, you can see the only thing left for this catch basin is just some shingle gravel. All right, we ran the downspout discharge line quite far. So I'm going to take this black pop-up, I'm going to take this cover off so I can get inside it real easy. So this is what you do. Take a small slot-headed screwdriver, just a slot screwdriver, nice, small, sharp. That's it. You can't break this tab because it's HDPE. You're going to reuse that clip. All right, so, well, you know how we designed this to where everything just shoots out. You can see that there was a lot of shingle gravel and stuff that came up and out of here. Now there's next to nothing. There's next to nothing in that thing. I mean, practically nothing. So the whole system's working flawlessly. We use our own products on our own personal properties. We know how we got here. We know what failure looks like. This system will buy you a peace of mind. Every time it rains, you'll know that your basement or your crawl space is not flooding. If you appreciate these videos, give me a thumbs up. It supports the channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.